Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to post your day on WePlay. So here I'll be teaching how to post your day on WePlay. So to post your day on WePlay, all we need to do is open up your WePlay. After you open up your WePlay, you will see right here. Click on Discover right here. Once you're here at Discover, you may click on the camera option in the bottom right corner. Yes, let's see. Once you press on that, here it's like Facebook or Instagram. You may chat on what's on your mind. You say cool. Then we're gonna put some hashtag cool. Then we're gonna choose what we need to what we want to post. Then we're gonna choose this one right here and complete. Then we're gonna post it in 3, 2, 1. Post on the top right. There you go. That's how you post your day on WePlay. So it's uploading. So there's another way of doing this. Well, I will show you later. But yeah, it's still loading. It's uploading, so we're just gonna go back. Okay, go back. Yeah, discard. Let's discard that. Then your post will go right here. Now, let's go right here. Click on the moments. After clicking on the moments, click on the camera icon, top right corner. After that, post on what's on your mind. Let's say cool part 2. There you go. Then hashtag cool. And yeah, we're gonna put, there we go. Hashtag cool part 2. Then we're gonna add this one right here. Apply. And there you go. The hashtag cool pals. Then post. So there you go. That's all you need to do, guys. That's how you how you post your day on WePlay. If you have any more question on how to post your day on WePlay, type it in the comment section below. If you have any concerns or anything, that you can just ask it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. So there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.